IELTS has three tasks. The first one is introducing yourself. That's gonna be kind of like interview. Yeah, you are asked to give your passport, and then you put on the table, and then he or she will evaluate it, and then we said, okay, we got your passport, and then we shall begin our speaking IELTS task one, which you are going to introduce yourself, yeah, and then your evaluator will ask you several questions. But yeah, this is based on experience. This is the one in front of you that you have to prepare. Yeah, they might ask you these questions. So if you already prepared, that's gonna be great. Yeah, like the first one, when you introduce yourself, you can say, "Thank you for the given time. I would like to introduce myself." Yeah, and then you mention your full name, nickname. Yeah, or and currently I'm pursuing my study, or I'm working. Yeah, like that. Yeah. After that, a little bit only about your family. They don't really ask you to give detail. Yeah, probably he or she will ask you also as in questions. Yeah. So this is not talking by yourself, but there will be back and forth question. My hometown. Yeah. Explain a little bit about your hometown, sir. And then you explain about the building, about the traditional food, or about anything that specific from your hometown. Yeah. Because after that, it's probably that he or she will ask you to compare in between your hometown and the place currently you are living. Yeah. Again, it will be talking about the transportation, or does it have any specific food, or how was the weather? Like that. Yeah.
Mm.
Pay attention to the given question. If he or she asks you question in past, then answer in past. Like that.
Okay.
Following. Yeah. Traditional food of your hometown, special event, and your hobby. These are all, yeah, for the interview, which will last around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try. Yeah. We shall begin to the speaking IELTS task one, sir. I have your passport here, Mr. Pasa from Indonesia. Okay,
Yep.
sir. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Okay. Thank you for the given time. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pasha Fernanda Fauzi, but you can call me Pasha. And currently, I just finished my study in Universitas Pasir Mulia, and I'm currently is working on the medical company. And I still live with my family in Indonesia. It's in Jakarta, and it's located in Pondok Indah, Jakarta. And I still live with them. And
So,
my home,
Jakarta is your hometown, sir.
yes,
I see. So, how do you describe Jakarta to me?
Jakarta. Actually, Jakarta it's the capital city of Indonesia. So I think, I mean, like it has many skyscraper buildings, and it got bad traffic every day, especially when it comes in the rush hour at
How about
5.
the mode of transportation that is
Sorry.
common? How about the mode of transportation that commonly Jakarta people use for commute,
Uh,
for working, or going to school?
Actually, it's depend on the age of the people.
Okay.
When it comes from the students, they usually go to their school with their own car,
Vehicles.
but
Mm.
yeah, yeah, with their own vehicles, such as a car and a motorcycles. But when it's an adult, they usually using public transportation such as a busway or MRT to go to their
So it is
office.
efficient, yes, using
Sorry?
MRT to work.
Sorry?
It is efficient to use
Yes, of course.
MRT.
Because
Mm.
there's no traffic light when you're using
Yeah, to avoid the
MRT.
traffic jam, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Now, related to the accommodation where you are living right now, yeah. Uh, is it quite comfortable in Jakarta?
Uh, Sorry, the accommodation.
The
It,
accommodation is where you are living, sir. kind of like the house, that means.
Okay, okay, okay. So, like I
Or
said before,
mm,
I still lived with my family. So I live in my house. It's located in Pondok Indah in South Jakarta, and I think it's quite good for me to live there. And I lived there since I was born.
which
So
location in Pondok Indah, sir?
it's near in Sekolah Bakti Mulia 400. And what I like about my home, it's really near
Oh ya,
about the,
that mean Pondok Pinang ya?
yeah,
Ah, okay.
and the thing that I like about my hometown or my house, it's near with the mall, the
Yes.
restaurant. Actually, there's so many entertainment. Sorry,
Not really city center still has the view, yeah. Right.
yeah, something like that, kind of like that.
I'm teaching in that area for 20 years from all of apartment there.
Oh,
None of the apartment there that I haven't teach, yeah, because all the Koreans can live there. Yeah. The-
which
From
apartment, Miss?
oh, Pondok in apartment from Parama. It next
Parama.
to it, Beverly Hills. And then
Oh, it's
Pondok
next to the
Indah.
Bukit Gulf, eh?
Pondok Indah, and then Emerald. Now not Emerald, City Town kalau nggak salah diganti
Okay, okay,
nama.
okay.
Terus Bumi Mas.
Okay.
Semuanya kayak Essence. Essence lebih ke Kemang ya. Kemang
Hmm.
Village. Kayaknya nggak ada yang belum di ini. Makanya tadi pas nyebutin. Sekolahnya di mana? Where was your high school, sir?
My high school is in Alizar Pondok Labu, Miss.
Oh, I thought itu di sana kan ada MAN 4. Ya, bagus
Oh,
4.
but my elementary school in Bakti Mulia sih.
Iya, makanya tadi di mana Pondok Indahnya? More spesifik lagi kayak itu udah kayak second house area itu. Okay, so it's quite good. How about the pollution, sir? Is it affecting your area or no?
I think Jakarta is one of the most
Polluted.
highest pollution in the world. So I think
Yeah,
it's not that good to live in Jakarta for your health, especially because there's so many vehicles and so many transportation there.
yeah. Considering Pondok Indah still quite comfortable ya, comparing to Mega Kuningan, for example.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
actually messed up. No tree, full with skyscraper building. Okay, thank you, sir. That will be it for the speaking IELTS task one. Yeah,
Yep.
and then we shall continue to the speaking IELTS task two. Speaking IELTS task two consists of the question that they will give to you by using cue card. Ya, jadi dikasih kertas ya, or presenting in the Zoom juga kayak gini, and then there will be question appear. Ya, that,
Sorry, Miss. By the way, uh, what score do we give for the first section, Miss? Because kita dia aku agak
ya
tebak-tebak.
dia barengan,
Oh, barengan ya.
barengan, barengan. Tadi kan karena belum ini, cuma lebih eh yang penting kan udah tahu itu tadi itu nggak originally ya, because
Ya, ya, ya.
I ask you all the question ya.
Eh,
Eh, biasanya dari 15 questions paling appear 7 like that ya. Jadi nggak semuanya. Tadi kan longer than 4 minutes. Okay.
okay.
Now for the task two that describe is something that typical about you ya. The picture that you like, the favorable person, the TV program that you like. So it's all about you. Okay.
Okay.
But then they also have kind of like typical something that they call pointers. Yeah. Like here, describe a house or apartment you would like to live in. You should say. Nah ini ada 4 pointers. Itu always selalu ada 4 pointers. Functionnya gini, you have to answer them all briefly, ya, karena waktunya, the given time is only 1.5 minute, ya, to answer them all. Jadi jangan terlalu panjang, Karena begitu you don't finish your fourth sentence yang ini, nanti jadinya only 75%, sir. Jadi jangan terlalu panjang elaborating the first, second, and third, but you finish it until fourth pointers, nanti bisa dipanjangin lagi.
Okay.
Ya, oke. So, second task is about this. Let's try, ya. Describe a house or apartment you would like to live in. You should say where it is, what you would like to do there, who you would like to live there with, and explain why you would like to live in this place. You have 1 minute preparation.
Okay.
1 minute preparation itu siapkan kalimat pertamanya aja. Ya. Selebihnya yang disiapin apa? Linking word-nya. Ya. You are good in speaking, so no need to be, karena pertanyaannya akan selalu daily questions kok. Ya. Okay. So your preparation time start now, 1 minute. Yes, you may begin now.
Okay, so first of all, hello, Miss, can you hear my voice clear?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, in my preference, I choose house more rather than apartment, because I think and I also rather to buying just a land rather than buying a house, because I can build uh my sort of like my dream house. And the things that I will to do there is, of course, I would like to have a big house with the American classic design, and I want to start. Miss Koko agak blur ya, Miss.
Which one?
Sorry, Miss. Boleh ulang nggak, Miss? Preparation sulit, Miss.
Boleh. Fokus aja sama linking words-nya. Terus gini, it doesn't have to be the truth. Ya. You are given only 1.5 minute to talk, ya. It's better that you talk no humming, ya. Jadi kalaupun itu bukan the real story of you, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting keep on talking, ya. Okay. Harus the truth.
Okay.
Okay, you may repeat again. Yes, you may start now.
Okay, so first of all, I prefer to choose home rather than apartment, because with a house, I can make my own house according to what I want, like the design or the size of the house or the land also, and what I want to do or what I would like to do there in my house. It's I want to live with my family, and and mm, and I want to. So basically, I just want to make my home comfortable. So, because
Cozy and comfortable.
Yeah, because basically house is the place where we have to spend our time the most, and the people who I would like to live there with is of course with my family, my wife and my children. And I think the location of the house, it's located in Pondok Indah, because it will be easier for me to play golf as well. And I yeah, I think there's 3 point. There's 3 point for me. The important, it's the location of the house, the building, and how big the size of the land and the house also.
Mr. Pasa, did you answer until the fourth pointers?
Yeah.
Okay, because the given time is already so 1.5 minute is just that short. Yeah, that
Mm.
short and that long. If you have no idea, and then it's gonna be very long. But if you have lots of idea, you better shorten it. Yeah, until you finish the last questions, and then you can enlarge again your first answer like that. Yeah, the strategy already good. Yeah. To be honest, if I would like to give you scoring, it's still band six. Yeah, band six. So more straight to the point. And then when you are beginning entering the speaking task two, yeah, you better repeat the question, sir. Pretending that your evaluator didn't see the question. Kan biasanya
Uh,
misalnya kita answering question, kita kasih introduction-nya kan. Yeah, so actually, if I'm talking about the place where I would like to live later on, or the kind of apartment or house, jadi diambil a little bit,
okay.
baru explaining. I would prefer to live in a house. Ada perbedaan house dengan home ya. Tadi pakainya home ya.
House.
Nah, pakainya yang house, oke? Jangan yang home.
Yeah, yeah.
Home itu more to feeling ya.
Yeah.
Dia bukan konkret. Oke. Any other than that, sama seperti writing task tuh, kalau bisa pakai passive voice, conditional sentence, complex sentence, atau mengganti kata-kata banyak, misalnya dengan varied, enormous number of, abundant of, ya. Jadi pakai sinonim-sinonim. Itu juga bisa dilatih. Oke. Nah, itu pertanyaannya selalu tentang yourself. Nanti kalau task 3-nya itu tentang people, which mean other people, which mean about the global, gitu. Jadi dia kaitinnya tetap dengan topik yang sama. Kayak where commonly young generation in the world live when they reach certain age, kayak gitu. Ya, jadi not about you anymore. Kalau yang di task 3-nya more to about the common people thing like that.
Okay.
Yeah, we will practice again next time, sir. And then after this, I will send several. Jadi biasanya I give several question. My student itu record pakai audio 2 menit jawabannya.
Mm.
Nanti I give you sampel juga. Ya, okay. So that's for today session. And then you can practice how to edit your own writing, sir.
By the way, Miss, what score will you expect for the speaking test, Miss?
Tadi masih 6.
6 ya?
Masih 6. Lebih bagus yang kedua, tas yang kedua dibanding yang pertama. Yang
Hmm.
pertama nanti lebih, kan udah tahu ya, oh ini tuh listnya tuh, gitu. Jadi bisa lebih dipersiapkan. Dan
Okay.
karena baru the first time. Ya. Oke. So, any questions?
No, Miss.
Praktis ya yang ada sih. Oke, sir, would you mind giving me the OTP code? The
Okay.
last.
Tapi at the end, what score you expect, Miss?
At the end apa? Kita itu cuma punya 5 sesi loh. Kayaknya cuma punya 5 sesi apa 6 sesi. Expect
7214, Miss.
saya. It's your the expectation is from you. Mau band 7 caranya begini. Mau cuma band 6 caranya agak santai gitu.
Oke.
Selalu punya motivasi untuk sampai minimal band 7 ya.
Hmm.
Itu sebabnya semua apa strateginya, strukturnya, contoh-contohnya itu selalu dikasih tahu aja supaya lebih cepat. Mm. Tinggal ningkatin kemampuan berlatihnya dengan kecepatan waktu kan.
Hmm.
Cuma pakai kecepatan waktu. Speaking kecepatan waktu juga ya. 1.5 minute talk. Kasih kesempatan cuma 1 minute. Writing 20 minutes and 40 minutes gitu. Nggak ada dilebihin waktunya sama mereka kan. Ya
Ya.
udah begitu, selesai nggak selesai kumpulkan. Nah, jadi banyak latihan sendiri sebetulnya. If you have a kind of like empty time, biasanya my student, Miss kasih soal dong. Walaupun sering Miss Ina bilang gini, ya ambil aja soal di internet. Enggak, Miss Ina aja kasih.
Hmm.
Itu nggak apa-apa gitu, sama semuanya juga gitu ya. Karena waktu fleksibel kalian, kalian itu kan orang bekerja ya. Yang tahu
Hmm.
waktu itu kalian. Tapi make sure aja, 20 menit ya 20 menit, 40 menit 40 menit gitu.
Oke.
Strateginya itu untuk sampai band 7.
Hmm.
Mendingan scholarship sih daripada bayar sendiri.
Hmm.
Apalagi UK, aduh living cost-nya.
Aku ngambil yang parsial sih, Miss. Kalau kata temen aku lebih enak karena katanya sukses rate-nya lebih gede dibanding yang reguler.
Iya, tapi ada family nggak di sana?
Nggak ada sih.
Ya itu living cost-nya tuh gede banget,
Hmm.
mahal banget kalau UK.
Lagi dolar lagi naik lagi sekarang.
Iya, ya nggak tahu ya misalnya selama ini sekarang encourage. Ya udah kalau itu sambil-sambil, ya memang bisa sambil kerja di sana ya, atau kalian punya bisnis dimanapun. Kecuali kalau punya family di sana, nggak terlalu bother ya. University fee-nya ya mahal tapi bisa lah gitu. Living cost-nya. Nah, berapa OTP code-nya? Udah,
3722.
berapa?
Tiga, oh, udah.
Ti-
Sukses.
372.
Udah sukses tapi masih tulisannya.
Eh, belum.
3722 tadi. Ini udah sukses tapi kan.
Coba kita masuk.
Udah ke 7 nih.
Oh iya, dia tuh kayak gimana sih di sana appear-nya? Ini kan sistem kayak gini baru 2 bulan ya. Jadi,
Gambarnya tuh kayak ada tulisan sukses gitu sih langsung. Jadi kita ngirim student tuh nulis buat kode OTP. Terus kalau misalkan udah di verif sama teachernya ntar langsung kayak udah langsung automatically kayak sukses.
oh padahal mesin aja belum masukin. Tadi aja nggak kedengeran 37 berapa? Itu.
Oh, ini
Udah,
berarti aku buat lagi ya.
udah. Ini udah.
Oh, udah.
Udah sekarang. Kan masih bilang, eh coba masih valid nggak? Masih. Oke. So when will be our next session?
Hmm. I think tomorrow is fine.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow I have student 7:15, sir.